Hello guys, so I just got back right now and this is my bag here. So I'm just trying to like make the evening update of today's trade. So let me just run you guys through it quick because I have a lot of things to be like so busy. I'm so tired. Today was just so stressful. So heading over to this here. This is a trade on USD that I took. I also had a setup on gold, but I will explain to you guys what happened though. So the this is the trade I took. This is the trade I took. So what was I seeing here? So this is a daily key level. This is a daily key level right here. It's rejected downward here. Then move that to the downside. If you go to the 30 minutes time frame, you'll see a break there. Even on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you'll see it's formed like an A-shaped level, like a resistance level right here. Then going to the 1 hour to like get going to the 1 hour to get like refinement. Going to 1 hour to get refinement. You can see this is a level here. This is a level here which have been tapped, then dropped. Then this forming another level here. It has also been tapped, but like that is the most reasonable place that was available for me to take the trade. And there was a um there was like liquidity right here. Although this is the level I was looking at. This is the level I was looking at. But with time I reduced, I moved it down one. That's like being flexible. So I moved it down and this candle here came for me, tapped me in and drop. You can see the second one. I would have entered here, but I just left it because if you see here's the JPY, just look, you see that it's been like a lot of week, which shows like consolidation. So that is it. We are still moving down. So around this place, I didn't even think of breaking even because I know what break even have done to me in the past days. So I didn't think of breaking even, but now that I've seen this push downward, I might just move my, even though it's to this point, I'll move my break even to this point. So if this trade goes against me, I won't be losing a cent. So moving to gold. On gold, on gold. So moving to gold, this is what happened though. This is what happened. This is one of those days on gold. I don't know why this kind of things keep happening to me. So this is gold is bullish here. Gold is bullish, and this is like the key level here. This is the key level here, which I was looking forward to. It has been tapped, but if you go to the 4 hour, you see that it's also like, so look at the level here. It has been tapped. So instead of using this level, I will consider this one on top, which is fresh. But going to the 30 minutes time frame, like to look for refinement, I would use this level. So this was the point. I was like here waiting for price to just come into this point. So immediately price came here. I went to my MC5 and imputed the lot size and placed the trade. So instead of it to place once, yes, like buy execute immediately, it brought up this write up terms and condition it normally brings. Like if you have not done a market execution, if you have not placed a trade manually, like instant execution on an MC5, it usually brings out that message if you are placing a trade on the first time. So that instant execution stuff, then you now like click on accept, then you can now place an instant trade. So that is what is brought up. So I typed okay. It's I typed agree, so it went off. That's to show you that with all the trade I've been taking on this account, I've never done an instant execution. I'm just normally set my limits, set my market order, and price will come for it. Will come to tap it. So today I was trying to like make instant because I knew that it's going to like reject fast. You know how good is now. So this is what happened here. It came up. So before I could finish inputting the lot size and agreeing to the terms and condition, price came off here. I was not like, okay, let me still set it below here so maybe price can come back to it, but it closed above here. It's closed above here, and this guy, I was not like, okay, since it's closed above here, let me look for a re-entry. Let me look for re-entry this week. Now if you consider this week, this like, I think it's 70 p. I don't know, I think it's 70 p, but the week is too long, so I said let me do like 50, half of the week. If you look closely, you'll see this is a Fibonacci to here. You see that this is a Fibonacci to here, like to do like 50%, 50% of like retracement. Now if you use Fibonacci, you get what I mean. This is a Fibonacci to here, yeah, and that is the 50% here of this week, from this point to this point, from this point to this point here. So this is 50% that I marked. So imagine, I was like preparing to like set the limits here, and guess what, my phone went off. Like my phone literally went off. So this is where I would have like placed the limit. This is where I would have set the limit, but my phone went off. So I was not like, since it went off now, it's a sign to not take the trade. So I just had to leave it, and there was no means to charge it like immediately. And even though you won't charge it immediately, once gold leaves you, it has left. So this is it. Missed this one. Also missed this one, and this is where price is currently at, like almost TP. I don't know why the USD JPY that I now took is just like consolidating, still consolidating. So this trade, I didn't take it in my um good goods account, like the one I'm using for this documentary. I didn't take it on the account, but I just had to like talk about it. So that's all for you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What up guys, is the evening update right here. So this is the trade I took on gold. What I saw on gold was that this level, this candle closed below this level here. Then this next one, like we came above it, was around here. It came above it. So and I went to 4 hour to see um like a break and retest, yes. To see like a break and retest. So the 4 hour, heading to the 4 hour, you can see the level here where price broke through it. This candle basically broke above it, then this downward movement came to tap into it's just like break and retest now, but on the higher time frame. So yes, this move to the upside, what I was not anticipating was that price should come to this level. What I was anticipating was that price would come back. It was like above here, this candle now. I was expecting price to come back here, tap into this level, then continue its move upward. That's basically what I was anticipating, but this is what price did. It came, went straight to my SL, went down a bit, went down a bit before now, before the pull upward. So this was a loss. This trade was a loss. Welcome guys, it's also FASSounds here. So today is Wednesday, so I'll be heading to work right now. I really hope today would be a good day where I find good opportunity to make good money. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Welcome guys, it's the evening update right here on Wednesday. So right here on USD right here on USD you can see this is a daily level. Yes, this is a daily level. So price closed above it. This candle came to retest on it, then give the push upward. So right here now you confirm that this is an uptrend. Like price is bullish. Price is bullish here. So with this huge momentum, this is a 4 hour time frame. With this huge momentum,
price might not likely like get back to this level or this level here. So what I was expecting was that this first, second, this third candle now, as it pushed upward, I went to lower time frame. I went to a time frame lower. That's the 1 hour time frame. There's a there's a level. There's a level here. So there's a level on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour time frame. That is that is this level. We have this level, and there's a we have this level, and there's this level. So price came for this here. Price came for here. Price came for here. Price came for here, right? I was expecting to come here, tap me in, then push upward, but price reacted from this level. So I was now like, okay, after reacting from this level, it continued pushing like upward. It's continued pushing upward because here this a resistance level. Price break above, came and so tap on it, that is break and retest. It still came back here and retested on it again, giving this push upward, and I say, okay, this is another break and retest here. So this is like a good time for me to enter. I entered this candle here, entered on this candle, which came, tapped and stopped me out, because like look, this is an RBS resistance that's broken. It will turn support, it will come, it came back, retested, and it gave this huge move upward. So this is another fresh RBS again. So what I was expecting for price to still come, tap on it, and give the move upward to the upside. So but price came against me, and came for my SL. Now this is that origin, that first level which I wanted to trade off of. That is where price came now, tapped on it. I know I would have took an, okay, let me check. Looks like I would have took an SL on this one though, because my stop loss was below this level. My stop loss was below that level. So don't know, network is kind of misbehaving. So I took a loss on that one there, and that was the only trade I took for today. Welcome guys, it's SFR right here. So today is Thursday, and I'm ready. I'm heading to work right now, and I've took like I've took like some losses for this week. So I'll be heading to work right now, and be looking for opportunities if we see any strike. So I'll let you guys know when.
Guys, it's the evening update right here. So this is the evening update right here. So let me just run you guys through the trade I took today. So right here you can see this XAUSD. This is a 4 hour time frame. So this is what price of coin was currently doing after this massive push upward. I got a small retracement to the downside to continue the push. So normally expecting the price to come from this point to come up to this level, either it's come to this level or tap into this level, then like reject downward, like starting a downward movement to the downside. But guess what, this is what happened right here. So price move up to this extent. So I was looking for a way to enter into this move, like around here, to move to the upside, going to a 1 hour time frame. So you guys, you see what I saw. So moving to the 1 hour time frame, what we have here is this is what I have here. You know, this like the break and retest we have on the 4 hours. So what after this candle close here, I was looking for an entry around this region, like to continue the move to the upside here. So this candle was already like around here. So I'm just expecting a little retest to this level, or either this level, to get a push to the upside. So going to the lower time frame, going to the 1 hour time frame. Here on the 1 hour time frame, this is like
the 4 hour level here, but price was like around here. Price was around here. It gave this small retracement and continuation here. So I was not like, instead of price to come to this point, it's likely to come to this one. But I was also looking out for this one. I was also looking out for this one. So but I chose this one. I chose to use this level because look, price rejected from here a lot of times. Price rejected from here a lot of times. Like it even gave an entry here, but I didn't really like consider to enter into this short sell. So price starts buying off of this level. So I felt like it's very reasonable to buy from here because it matches with the trend line and all that. It matches with the trend line and all that. So I was not like price should come to this level. This is my refinement here because of the week. I did a 50% on the week and price came for it and stopped me out. So I'm like down 1% on this trade right here. I'm down 1%. That's how um today went. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Definitely see you guys tomorrow.
Welcome guys, it's your boy right here. So compiling all the trade I took today, um the weekly P&L. So I took 4 trade and all of them and 4 of them ended in a loss. First trade was gold buy, and on that gold buy I lost about $45.52. Then the next trade was a buy on USD JPY buy, and I lost about $49. $49.76, I think $49.76. Next one was also gold buy, but on this one I lost $46.88 on this one. The last trade I took for this week was like Euro USD Euro USD sell. I entered the sell early. Okay, it was an order that I placed, a market order. So got triggered, hit my stops, then went in my direction, and I lost about $46.80 on this one. The P&L was like totally, I for the week I lost about $188 for this week. Yeah, $188. And if you notice, the consistency in the loss was that it didn't pass the $50 mark. I won't count that as an achievement, but rather an improvement. So I will take the weekend to like go through the losses and at least know what I did wrong. Because the last one I was kind of right. I was right with the market direction, but I entered early. Like I normally wait for like the candle close, then the beginning of the next candle. So, but this time I just placed the order and I left it. So it came triggered. If I had waited for that candle to close, because that's the candle that triggered and went to my SL. Really, that candle closed, the next candle started going to my direction. So um I will review other trades and know where I got it wrong. Then maybe next week we'll come in bigger. We come in maybe next week we'll see how it goes. So that is basically all for this week. And if you made it to this extent, please do it to like and subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section. The first link on this description, the first link on the description will be my Telegram channel. Go join and you get more updates on the trades I take. And remember, always do more.